Hey guys, my name is Preeti. Welcome back to my channel Mind Speaks here, and I came with a very beautiful topic, positive affirmations. This video will be considered of four major topics, four major points. The first we will discuss about what is positive affirmation. I mean the whole definition we will be discussing. The second is why it is important. I know half of you do not aware of the importance, so we will be discussing. The third is what all the exercises, all the practices which we can do to actually enhance it in our lives. So keep watching. And fourth and last one is about my positive affirmations which I speak in the morning before taking shower and before going to bed, and they are genuinely working good for me. So keep watching. The first one, what is positive affirmation? First, positive affirmation is a kind of phrases or a sentence or a quote which is filled with positivity to boost your confidence, to boost your self-esteem. It is like a one-way communication with the universe for all your desires and all your goals which you want to achieve, but in a present tense. I mean, you are speaking in a way that you are already in a possession of it. And I will give you few examples, but in the fourth point. So keep watching. Now let's discuss why it is important. In this video, I will be sticking to only the major points why it is important, because there are multiple benefits, but to make the video little shorter, I will be speaking only the major points. There are three basic points which I want to conclude in this video. The first one is the cleansing of the aura. The moment you start speaking bad or good about yourself, those words will revolve around you and will define your personality in the future. The example I would say that most of the time you guys say that you are feeling tired, you are feeling stressed, and keep on repeating those words for yourself. You at some point your body will give up on very small tasks, and you will feel the tiredness even though you did absolutely nothing the whole day. That is the one of the example that why we consider not to say such bad words for ourselves, or any kind of these words which might lower your confidence, or maybe losing your potential for the task you wanted to do. Time you are saying that you are feeling very tired, you are feeling very stressed, your body will absorb those words, and even if you will do absolutely nothing the whole day, your body will be stressed out, your body will be frustrated for doing absolutely nothing. But at the same time, if you will say that okay, I have the potential to do one extra thing done, I have the potential to go for a walk, I have the potential to at least wash my dishes before the going to bed, your body will start acting according to it. Your body, even though is little tired, that body will push you further to do that extra job, and that extra job will not harm you, trust me. So the words which you are saying are revolving around you, are building up your personality. So do not at any given point of time you say that you are a not so good person, you are not so healthy person, you are not so enough. You know, a lot of people are saying so much bad about you, and half of the things are not even true. My question is, can you do something about it? Can you go to each and every person to tell them not to do so? No, right? So if people are doing so, my only request is let them do it. Let them speak whatever they want to speak. But at least in this lifetime, you should be the one saying so much good about yourself. If you will not speak good, positive, nice, beautiful things about you, then who else? Appreciate about all the good things where you got it on the plate. Appreciate your good health. Compliment about your beauty, personality. Appreciate and be thankful for all the traits you got from the family, which are really good. And also, let me tell you one secret which nobody will tell you, is that everybody is your enemy, and that enemy is quoted as your colleagues, your friends, your relatives, and so called that online friend which you feel like is your life. Block him. You have no idea who is playing with your feelings, or who is just expecting a downfall of your life, who is praying for bad luck in your life. You will never get to know, and you will never be able to find that who did it, why they did it, and how they did it. Yes, इसको नजर भी बोल सकते हैं आपकी लैंग्वेज में. and those positive affirmation works like a shield and help you not to get into any sort of trouble or any problems. I mean, in simple word, I would say it cancels all the bad luck. The third point of this video, practices which we can do. There are three major points which I want to cover. These three are my favorite. I genuinely love to do that, and I will show you. Okay, the first one is take a sheet of paper, write 5 points which you are very proud of in you. I can say you have a very charming nature, you have a great personality, you are very welcoming, you respect elders, so on and so forth. Write all the 5 points here, okay, and then flip the page. Write 5 points which you want. Maybe I can take an example. You want to lose weight. So what you are going to do, you will not say I want to lose weight. I have lost this kg weight and I am proud of it. Like right like that. Okay. Second, I can say that I want a glowing skin. I have a very glowing skin and I am grateful for it. Write it that way. Okay. I can take an example like I have scored 100 and my parents are happy even though your exams are coming and you have not read anything. Lack. I would say paste it either near to your bed or in front of the mirror. I mean side of the mirror, and maybe near to the place where you keep your books, study table. Reason, if you will keep it in front of any other place which you see daily, you will get a habit of reading this every day. These 5 and 5 points. The one which you are blessed to have and one which you want to be blessed. Okay. So if you will see them daily, read them with a louder voice, not in your mind, louder voice, and be grateful that you are about to achieve all these. Make it a habit to speak it daily so that at least you will feel that you are being blessed, you are about to get blessed. Universe will see that okay, you want all this, you are putting efforts, you have this all the time in your mind. Okay, the second one is writing love letters. I'm not saying write love letter to your ex or maybe that crush or that situationship you are into. I know you're talking to that person, and I also know that he is talking to 10 other girls. Block him. Respectfully block him. Take a sheet of paper, write all the good things you did in the past, or all the achievements you have made, and all the things which you are very proud of. Okay, write it in this sheet and fold it like a love letter and place it in your diary or in a pocket or anywhere near to your books or maybe close to your closets or something, so that whenever either example you are cleaning your closet, okay, and you have hide this paper, okay, randomly you are taking it out, you are reading it, you are feeling good. It will just kind of give you a reminder and a powerful explanation that okay, next time I also have to do lot better than the previous thing. It works like that. And third one might sound weird, but it is one of the easiest thing if you are a person who do not like writing, who do not like writing love letters and all. It's okay. I would suggest whenever you are having the first bite, first cup of tea, first cup of coffee in the morning, before taking the sip, just say one word. I'm thankful for everything which I have received so far, and I am welcoming for all the opportunities for my life. Gulp it or chew it. That's it. At least be grateful. Once you will be grateful for everything which you have it right now, the universe will give you much more than you are expecting. If you will not be so grateful, you will be cribbing about the smallest of things. Do you really think that you will be blessed with so much thing in future? No, right? At least try it for 1 month. Okay, you will genuinely feel nice. Your energy will get a shift from the depression to the happiness, and your vibe will get changed. People will love to hang out with you. People will love to speak to you. Will be feeling so blessed to work with you, and also you will be filled with so positive energy that the sadness, the sorrowness in you, the life you had, it will all be removed. You will not be able to see them. You will only see the opportunities, the challenges, the blessings. Let's come to the fourth point of this video, the positive affirmation which I speak. I have written it in this book. I was writing it since the new year. And all know that I love writing. I love writing love letters and writing diaries to keep it with me. I have written a lot of positive affirmation. This diary is all about positive affirmations. You can see it here. Okay. So I will be sharing few. Okay. I do not want you to like long ass paragraphs. No, 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 no. I mean, just like it, write it like that. इतना छोटा सा भी चलेगा. Okay. Or I'm just giving you an examples. Okay. I have hidden a lot of letters. I mean like this. Okay. You can write it like that. You can write it like that. Okay. So would you like to listen all the positive affirmations which I have written in this book? Okay. I will be speaking very softly, very gently. Close your eyes and at least listen to my words. Okay. I am the reason someone believes in the goodness and kindness of people. Me and God locked in. I only put energy into things I have future with. My energy is magnet. It attracts positive things only. I am a very blessed child. I have a God that can do miracles. I am qualified for the career I want. I choose myself because when I start choosing myself, I start attracting everything that is also choosing me. It is a privilege to be in my presence. I hold positive, strong, and confident energy. I see beauty in universe and universe see beauty in me. Being a good person is worth it. I respect myself and I command the same from others. The universe talk to me with the language of success, happiness and rewards. I bring light to those who are around me. I am a woman that every girl wants to be. I'm obsessed with the fact that my potential is endless and my ability to grow is infinite. I mean, these are the kind of examples which you can take to just start writing positive affirmations about yourself. It can include success, it can include happiness, it can include God as well, your personality, your looks, your money, anything. There are a different type of positive affirmations and there are exercises which I've already mentioned. I hope you loved this video. Do let me know if you need any improvement. See you in the next video super soon. Till the time, do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Preeti signing off. See you then. Bye.